In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block websites on Google Chrome. So all you need to do is go to the Chrome store. So open the web store, and then right there at the top left corner, you can search the store. All you need to do next is type in block websites, just like that. And then you'll find all of these extensions. Now I recommend this one right there. And then you want to click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. And then once you do that, it's going to download it, and it should automatically pop up and open the extension so that you can find out how this works and also block websites. So we'll just wait for that. It shouldn't take too long. There you go. So I just installed it, and there you go. And here it is. So click on agree. And then right there, you can enter a web address and block the website. For example, if you want to block Facebook, all you need to do is type in facebook.com, and then next up you can click on the plus icon right there, and there you go. You just blocked this website. And that's how you can block any website on Google Chrome. If you want to unblock the website, all you need to do is click right there on the red icon. If I just do that right now, you'll see that it disappears. But that's how you can block a website on Google Chrome. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions about this, hit me up in the comment section down below, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.